everyone. Welcome to the Stu Code Future Skills Bootcamp 2026. I'm so excited to be here with you today. My name is Pooja Vora, content writer at Yep Education, and for the next 60 minutes, we are going to do something really cool together. Before we start, quick thing. Our last session is already on our YouTube channel. If you missed it or if you want to revise, go check it out. And if your friends aren't here today, share link with them. They can watch this session too once it is uploaded. So hit that subscribe button on our YouTube channel right now so you never miss a single session. I welcome you all. Look at what it says on the screen. Unlock the 4 superpowers of computational thinking. Superpowers, yes. By the end of today, you will have 4 new superpowers that scientists, programmers, creators, engineers use every single day. Are you ready? So let's go and begin our journey. Hello, smart thinkers. Let's see who is here. You have to use your chat. You have to type your name, class, city you are joining from, and type yes if you ever solved a problem. Rahab, class 8 from Bhopal. Beta, have you ever solved a problem? Write all the answers. Yes, I'm reading. Very nice. Shubhagya Vardhan Singh, class 4th. Yes, ma'am. Mayank Sharma, 8th, Delhi. Yes. Shlok from Lucknow, 7th class. Devyansh from 8th class. Parth Sharma, Vidisha. Very nice. Madhya Pradesh. There are so many students are joining from all over India. Very good, very good. Very nice. Look at these yeses I'm getting. That you people have solved so many problems in your life. Every single one of you is already a problem solver and a very smart thinker. And today we are going to make you an even better one. You are, but now we are making you a better even. Okay, before we dive into, let me tell you a little about ourselves, that who we are. At YEP, we believe that every child deserves to learn not just what is in the textbooks, but also how to think, how to look at the tough problem and find a smart solution to it. That exactly what today's session is about. Not memorizing, not rote learning, but actually learning to think the way the world's best programmers and problem solvers think. And that's what Stu Codes is all about. We want to make you good thinkers, good programmers. Now, let's move to the next part. What is your talent? Type your answer in chat. Okay, quick question for everyone. And I want you to be honest in this. Look at the screen. You see 5 talents: singing, dancing, drawing, and sports and coding. Type in the chat which one is your talent. Or if you have something else, you can type that too. Okay, let me read out the questions. I am running. Okay. I'm getting lots of answers and let me read out for you. Okay, football, dancing, sports, drawing, singing, sports. Mayank is saying sports, drawing, and coding to make games. Very good. So talented. Riyansh is saying, I'm a writer. Very good. Arav is saying speaking skills, talent. Ravleen is saying sports, coding, and speaking. Very good. Gurkirat is saying sports. Paridhi coding. Arav maths. Parth is saying chess. Very nice. Dancing, drawing, gaming, teaching, sports. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. So, singers in the house, dancers. Oh, we have artists too. My God, we have lots of artists too, and some coders too. Study. Very good. Sports. I can make something from waste material and drawing. Tivisha is saying, very good. You are very talented. Very good. Okay, let's move to the topic now. Here is the thing. Every single talent on the screen involves solving problems. A dancer has to figure out the steps in the right order. A singer has to remember the rhythms, the patterns in music. An artist has to decide what to include in the painting or what to leave out. So, and guess what? All of that is computational thinking that we have already covered in our last session. And today also, we are going to have a quick look on that. Computational thinking, and you see exactly what I mean in few seconds when I will discuss the other things in the rest of the session. So let's not to be learners, not to be thinkers. Let's become event manager today. आज हम कुछ event managing वाला काम करते हैं, ठीक है? So let's see. We will have a talent show challenge. Fine. So think yourself as a event manager today. So here's our story for today. Our school talent show is just 2 days away. Our principal is completely overwhelmed. There are performers to schedules, a stage to set up, invitations to send, and 100 other tasks for my principal. She comes to us and says, can you help her organize all these things? Can you take the challenge within 2 days? Can you do that? This is our mission today. We are going to use everything that we have learned till now and the computational thinking skills that we have know a little bit about it. But now, in the rest of the session, we will explore all the pillars and let me help them out. Okay, so let's begin and organize the talent show today. Fine. So let us begin. So we have to follow these steps, break it down the problem, abstractions, following patterns and arithmetic thinkings. So, and then, algorithmic thinkings, and then we will lead to the talent show success. So before that, we'll start with this. So let's recap that what is computational thinking? Yes, the word is CT, a little big word, but a very, very simple idea. Look at the definition on the screen and read it with me. It's very important that we read the definition with us. Computational thinking or CT is a smart way of solving problems step by step. It helps us look at a big problem, break it into smaller parts, and find an easy way to solve it. समझ आया? प्रॉब्लम को स्टेप बाय स्टेप में ब्रेक करना है, बिग प्रॉब्लम को छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स में डालना है, एंड देन फाइंड आउट द सॉल्यूशन फॉर दैट, एंड इट विल बी इजी फॉर अस टू solve the problem. So now, does a computer actually think? Not really. A computer just follow instructions. Now, does a computer actually thinks? Not really. A computer just follow the instructions. It doesn't panic, it doesn't get confused, it just takes one step at a time. Computational thinking means we learn to think that same way, calm, organized, and step by step solving our big problem. Fine. So let me give you an example here. Imagine your mom asks you to clean your room. The room is a total mess. Where do you even start? If you try everything at once, you end up as just moving things around and getting frustrated. But if you think like a computer, a robot, first you will make the bed, then you pick up the clothes, and then you organize your books, then you clear the floor, etc., etc., one step at a time. Fine. Now, that's computational thinking, following things step by step. And today we are going to learn the 4 techniques that make it work. We call them the 4 superpowers, the pillars of the computational thinking. Here they are, your 4 superpowers. The 4 pillars of computational thinking. Every smart problem solver use all these. Pillar 1, decomposition. Break big problem into small parts. Pattern recognition, finding similarities. And abstraction, focus on what matters, ignore the rest of them. And algorithm, create step by step. So every smart problem solver use that. Smart problem also use that, and we are also following these steps in our life. बहुत छोटी छोटी चीजों में भी हम इन सभी स्टेप्स को यूज करते हैं विदाउट रियलाइजिंग कि हम इनको यूज कर रहे हैं. जस्ट टेक एन एग्जाम्पल, एक छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं कि जैसे हमारे और हमारी फ्रेंड या हमारे कजन के बीच में कोई मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग हो गई, कुछ हम लोगों के बीच में फाइट हो गया, कोई ऐसी बात हुई. तो हम क्या करते हैं, फॉर दैट ऑल्सो वी यूज आवर कॉम्पिटिशनल थिंकिंग. आप उसको यूज करते हो, लेकिन कैसे आपको पता नहीं. देखो, लेट्स सी. फर्स्ट स्टेप इज डीकॉम्पोजिशन. हम क्या सोचते हैं कि हमने उसे कुछ कहा तो नहीं, हमने उसकी कोई चीज तो नहीं ली, हम उस दिन मिले थे तब तो हम सही बात कर रहे थे, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. हमारे दिमाग में बहुत सारी सिचुएशंस आती हैं. वो क्या कर रहे हैं, हम उस प्रॉब्लम को डीकम्पोज कर रहे हैं, कि हम फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं कि ऐसी क्या चीज हुई थी, क्या प्रॉब्लम हुई थी. तो हमने अपनी सिचुएशन को डीकम्पोज किया, प्रॉब्लम को डीकम्पोज किया. देन वी फाइंड द पैटर्न रिकॉग्निशन. हमने पैटर्न फाइंड आउट किया कि हाँ, अगर मैं ये बोलता हूं तो शायद उसको बुरा लग जाता है, या इस तरीके से मैं उसको मना सकता हूँ कि मैं उसके लिए कुछ गिफ्ट्स ले जाऊं, या हम कहीं घूमने चले जाएं, या हम कोई कोल्ड कॉफी पीने चले जाएं, या मैं सॉरी मांग लूं सिंपल. तो वो पैटर्न रिकॉग्निशन, आपने उस बंदे का पैटर्न फॉलो करा कि आप सोचो कि वो किस तरीके से रिएक्ट करता है, और अगर मैं कैसे रिएक्ट करूंगा, तो आपने पैटर्न देखा. देन यू फॉलो द एब्स्ट्रैक्शन. हेयर एब्स्ट्रैक्शन में क्या होगा, फोकस ऑन व्हाट मैटर्स. कि क्या चीज है कि मेरे को उसकी फ्रेंडशिप चाहिए, कोई नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, अगर उसने ऐसा मुझे बोला भी, मैं उसको इग्नोर करता हूं, तो इग्नोरिंग द रेस्ट. तो यू आर यूजिंग एब्स्ट्रैक्शन देयर. देन एल्गोरिथमिक थिंकिंग भी आपके दिमाग में आएगी कि नेक्स्ट टाइम अगर ऐसा होगा ना, तो मैं उसको ऐसे नहीं बोलूंगा, या हम कुछ ऐसा फॉलो करेंगे कि हम आगे से इस तरीके से एक दूसरे के साथ बिहेव ना करें, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. आप एक स्टेप बाय स्टेप अपने माइंड में प्रोसीजर बना रहे हो. तो देखो, कॉम्पिटिशनल थिंकिंग आप कितने लो लेवल पे अपने साथ भी यूज कर रहे हैं. हायर लेवल पे तो चलो कोडिंग यूज कर रहा है, कंप्यूटर यूज कर रहा है, बट डेली लाइफ में भी वी आर यूजिंग कॉम्पिटिशनल थिंकिंग. Okay, so every smart problem solver, every coder, every scientist, every engineer, they all are using all four of these in their life. And by the end of today, so will you. You are using it, but now you will using it mindfully. आप उसको सोच के उसको डिस्कस करोगे तो आपको और बेटर रिजल्ट्स आएंगे. ठीक है. So let's begin with the four pillars. Very first one, decomposition. Again, we know that break big problem into smaller and manageable parts. Even AI uses decomposition. When you ask Google a question, I don't question, it doesn't search the whole internet at once. They find out some patterns, they search for a smaller steps, and that decomposition at work. Now let me show you some everyday examples of decomposition, like school project, birthday party, maths problems, sports tournament. All these things are with us. Let's take an example of school project. When your teacher says make a project, what do? You cannot start at once. Can't write whole thing in one. You first choose the topic, then you research on that topic, then you write it down, some notes, create that, and then you present the work to your teacher. Same thing happens with the birthday party. You create guest list, venue, cake, decoration, one at a time, and it will help you to solve the problem. Fine. So this is all about the decomposition. Now let's move to the mission again. हमारा क्या मिशन था आज का? Can you write it down? हमारा क्या मिशन था आज का? I'll just open the chat and read कि मुझे सब लोगों को अपना मिशन याद है कि नहीं. क्या मिशन है हमारा? टैलेंट शो. यस, ऑर्गेनाइजिंग टैलेंट शो. वेरी गुड. Very good that you are attentive. I'm very happy with you all that you are attentive. Talent show, very good. Organizing talent show. Very fine. So, okay, mission time. Remember our talent show problem. Your principal need to organize the show, but it feels like one giant impossible task. Let's use decomposition to break it down. Look at the screen. What are the big chunks we need to organize? Fine. Promotion and invites, choose performers, stage and equipments, event scheduling, sitting and venue. तो हमने क्या किया? टैलेंट शो को 5 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दिया कि these are the things that we need to do. Fine. But is that decomposition done? Yes or no, write it down. कि क्या हमारी decomposition हो गया? Or anything? No. Trishna is saying no. So those who are writing no, can you just write it down what else we can do now with decomposition step? Write it down your answer. I'm reading. Somebody's writing yes, somebody's writing no. Okay. Audience, prizes, no, yes. Fine. Now, see what just happened. One huge problem just turned into 5 manageable tasks. But that is the power of decomposition. We know that. But अब क्या होता है कि इन प्रॉब्लम्स को भी हम फर्दर डिकम्पोज कर सकते हैं. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल प्रमोशन एंड इनवाइट्स को भी हम फर्दर डिकम्पोज कर सकते हैं इनटू 4 and 5 steps. देन वी कैन फर्दर डिकम्पोज द परफॉर्मर्स. तो फर्दर डिकम्पोज करने के लिए वी विल डू एन एक्टिविटी टुडे. आई एम शेयरिंग अ link here of mission challenge decomposition. Look at the 9 words on your screen: microphone, singer, trophies, etc. etc. Your mission is to sort them in the 3 groups. Fine. Think carefully, drag and drop, and then hit submit answer. I'm sharing the link in the chat. Abhilasha ma'am will be able to share the link, or I will do?
I have shared, ma'am.
You have shared. Thank you very much, ma'am. Okay, Abhilasha ma'am has shared it. Just click on it and drag and drop. ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप करके फटाफट इनके स्टेजेस में डालो कि व्हाट आर द थिंग्स विच आर रिलेटेड टू द स्टेज सेटअप, व्हाट आर द थिंग्स विच आर रिलेटेड टू द पार्टिसिपेंट्स, and what are the things related to the award, and then submit button. You will get your answer whether you have done it correct or not. Very good, Khushi. 20 seconds. Saroj is saying 17 seconds. Very good. Arya is saying 24.7. Ma'am 19.8 seconds. Very good, very good. So students are doing it in within 15 seconds. 10.8 seconds. Very good. Anjali done, ma'am. Very nice. Very nice. Good. Good work. Congratulations. So a big, big, big congratulations to all of you. Give yourself a pat on the back because you have unlocked the decomposition badge. So a big round of applause for everyone. Very nice. Very nice. Remember, whenever a problem feels too big and scary, use decomposition. Break it down your problems and find out the solutions to make it simple one. Very nice. Okay, let's move to the another one, pattern recognition, the second superpower. This is pattern recognition, finding similarities, repetitions, and rules so we can predict and solve our problem in a better way. Machine learn the same way. When I'm talking about the Netflix, you must have used the Netflix. When Netflix suggests a show you have liked, it is recognizing patterns, that what kind of things you have watched before. So they are suggesting you that you may like this too. So look at the data right now. There is a circle, blue circle, then there is a square, then in the next we have triangle, then star. So they follow a pattern over here. So we can guess what will be the next one. So after circle, square, triangle, and star, we know that there will be a blue circle. So it's all start with what we just did today, spotting the next number in sequence. Ansh, I'll appreciate you. Let's move to the activity now. Pattern recognition. Fine. In this pattern recognition techniques, I have given you some examples. So let's first do the number pattern. Yes. Guess the next one. Yes, 10. Very good. 10. Yes, it was a very simple one, I suppose. Very, very simple one. What was the rule? Rule was to add 2 numbers each time. So 2, 4, 6, 8. And if we'll go on, then it will be, after 10, it will be 12, then 14, and go on. Okay, the next one, letter pattern. A, B, D, G, K. So what will be the next one? Oh my God, I have computational thinker sitting here. Very nice. It is P for Pooja. Yes or no? This one is tricker. No, this was not at all tricker, but you are writing the answers very quickly. Very good. The gap between letter increasing by 1 every time. So there is an increase gap. Then next one is also very simple. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. क्या लॉजिक है? लॉजिक लिख के दिखाओ आप मुझे, आंसर नहीं, मुझे लॉजिक्स चाहिए. मुझे लॉजिक दो फटाफट मंडे वेंसडे फ्राइडे का. Skip one day, Trisha. Very good. Gap of skip one day. Plus 2 in every day. One gap. Very nice. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and then we are skipping the Saturday. So the answer is Sunday. Very good. Very good. You just solved 3 patterns here. Fine. In, I think, less than 2 or 3 minutes. It's very nice. You are thinkers now. Let's move to the next slide. Pattern recognition's everyday examples. Pattern recognition isn't just in maths. Look at these examples from real life. Your school timetable. Classes repeat every week in the same order. Maths on Monday, then English on Tuesday, then next period is SST. It repeats every week in the same way. So that's a pattern. Traffic lights, red, green, yellow, always in the same sequence. Driver trust this pattern. Summer, autumn, winter, spring, every year without any fail. It goes on. Fine. So every year, this type of seasons will follow. So pattern recognition is everywhere. Fine. Okay, now let's move to the mission again. Mission challenge. क्या करना है हमें? पैटर्न रिकॉग्नाइज करना है यहाँ पे. कैन यू फाइंड आउट एनी पैटर्न हियर? लुक एट द स्केड्यूल ऑन द स्क्रीन. कैन यू फाइंड आउट एनी पैटर्न? जस्ट राइट इट डाउन इन चैट. कोई पैटर्न है यहाँ पर कि हाउ द परफॉर्मेंस इज गोइंग ऑन? Solo group, Riyansh, very good. Atharv saying yes. Give me the pattern. Pranavish, solo group is repeating, very good. Mishti is saying, Chandra is saying solo group. Have already? Shirjeet is saying dance group, solo group is following each other. Yes, ma'am, solo group is repeating. Very nice. Anu is answering Arab, Dhruvi, Vidhi, Samriddhi, Karnav, Anjali, Romit, Parth. Very nice. Aditya, Saroj, all are giving their responses. Yes, we have pattern spotted. That solo, group, solo, group, solo. So why this pattern is going on? There is a rhythm to it. Solo acts and group acts alternative mostly. We have seen that. This makes the show feel balanced and engaging. The audience doesn't get bored with all the solo performance in the row and then all the group performance in the row. So this is nice that if we'll follow this solo group, so what we have done with the previous data, we have recognized a pattern, and if that pattern goes well with us, we'll continue with this. This is exactly how TV shows producer think. वो लोग भी जब टीवी के प्रोग्राम्स बनाते हैं तो वो इस तरीके से ही बनाते हैं कि हम लोगों का एक इंटरेस्ट उसमें बना रहे, कि दैट कीप एन ऑडियंस हुक्ड. एंड नाउ यू नो हाउ टू डू इट टू. सो if you know how to do it, how to recognize patterns, so congratulations, you have unlocked your next batch of pattern recognition. That is a big clap for you all. We have done 2 of them. So 2 down, 2 to go. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, let's move to the next one. Abstraction. This is my favorite one. Really telling you, this is my favorite one. Focus on what matters, ignore the rest. लाइफ में भी यही फंडा होना चाहिए. जो चीज फोकस है, फोकस जो है, जो मैटर करती है हमें, हम उस पे फोकस करें एंड विल इग्नोर द रेस्ट. एब्स्ट्रैक्शन मीन्स फोकस ओनली व्हाट मैटर्स, जो हमारे लिए जरूरी है. ठीक है ना? उतना ही करें और बाकी चीजों को हम एवरीथिंग एल्स वी आर गोइंग टू इग्नोर. Let me ask you something. See the example. When you look at the Google Maps to find a route, do you know? Do you need to know every single tree, every lamppost, every house? Yes or no? No. We don't require it, है ना? We don't require it. You just need the roads, the turns, and the destination. That's it. So that is abstraction. जिस चीज की जरूरत ही नहीं है उस चीज में हम क्यों घुसेंगे, है ना? तो हम उसको साइड पे रखेंगे, जिस चीज की जरूरत है बस हम उसके साथ जाएंगे. दैट इज फिल्टरिंग. हम इसको क्या बोलते हैं कि फिल्टर आउट करना. डिसाइडिंग व्हाट टू कीप एंड व्हाट टू इग्नोर, दिस इज एब्स्ट्रैक्शन. Fine. Okay. Let me show some examples from the daily life. Map we have already discussed. Now suppose I have given a AI detecting ripe mangoes. Fine. So what happened when a machine checks if a mango is ripe? What does it look at? Basically the mango, the color of the mango, the size of the mango, or the texture of the mango. If the texture is little bit black or fatty, so it might they say कि ये तो भैया आम खराब हो गया. But what does it ignore? कि कौन सी ब्रांच पे लगा हुआ है, and what is the sky, how wind is blowing, it doesn't matter. ठीक है. आदित्य is saying so tasty. हाँ, मैंगो बहुत टेस्टी है बेटा. Fine. So it shows like this. सो लेस इन्फो, फास्टर डिसीजन. जितनी कम इंफॉर्मेशन हमारे पास होगी हम उतनी जल्दी, बट रेलेवेंट इंफॉर्मेशन. ऐसा नहीं है कि हम कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट चीज को कीप ना करें, उसको रखें ना, और हम ऐसी चीज को इग्नोर भी ना करें. ठीक है. सेम थिंग एआई डिटेक्टिंग, एआई स्पैम्स मेल्स जो अब करता है. इट लुक एट द सेंडर, द कीबोर्ड, द मिलिशियस लिंक्स, बट इट इग्नोर्स कि फॉन्ट स्टाइल क्या है, ईमेल की लेंथ क्या है, बिकॉज दोज डोंट हेल्प देम टू आइडेंटिफाई द स्पैम. तो किसको हमने देखना है? जहां पर हमारी रेलेवेंट इंफॉर्मेशन हो. ठीक है ना? सी द पैटर्न. देयर इज अनदर पैटर्न. आई ऑलवेज आस्क व्हाट इंफॉर्मेशन एक्चुअली हेल्प मी सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम. एआई हमेशा उस चीज के ऊपर काम करेगा कि कौन सी इंफॉर्मेशन मेरे पास आएगी जिस तरीके से उसमें काम आएगा. Fine. So abstraction means showing relevant or necessary details and hiding irrelevant or unnecessary details, written by the Mohit. Very nice, Mohit. Very good. Very good. So let's do one more chat activity. Read the question carefully. Read the question carefully. If an AI were checking if a student is paying attention in the class, what would it keep and what would it ignore? चलो, ये एक एक्टिविटी है आपके लिए. कहां पर एआई को अगर मैंने बोला कि क्लास में देखकर बताओ कि बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं, नहीं पढ़ रहे हैं, अटेंशन है नहीं है, तो क्या करेगा? ओके. सो फर्स्ट डू द कीप वर्ड. कीप को पहले करते हैं. मैम हाउ टू ज्वाइन, सॉरी, डिसिप्लिन. ओके. इट शुड लुक एट चिल्ड्रंस. फेसेस देखेगा, मूवमेंट देखेगा. वेरी गुड. इट वुड आस्क क्वेश्चन. आई विल नॉट आस्क क्वेश्चन. इट विल जस्ट सी कि वेदर द पर्सन इज अटेंटिव इन द क्लास और नॉट. Gestures, reactions, faces, discipline, look at students, their expressions, their movement. Okay, fine. AI, face, movement, discipline, reactions, look at faces. Okay, fine. समझ आ गया. Now, what it would ignore? Ignore क्या करेगा? Background, very good. Gender, very good. Very nice. Background noise, skin color, bags, uniform, hairs, very good. Devices, hairstyle, their appearance, bags, pens, pen, pencil, status, nails, and their gender. Very good. Clothes, notebook. Very, very, very nice. Very nice answer. So I'll just sum it up. आप जो आप लोगों ने चैट में लिखा कि it will keep the things ki the person is looking into the teacher or not, it is taking notes or not, it is participating in all the activities or not, it is raising their hands when the teacher is talking. So all these things it will keep, but it will ignore कि बच्चे का हेयर कलर क्या है, बच्चे का आई कलर क्या है, what types of shoes they are wearing, what is the color of their backpack. So all these things they will ignore, है ना? और जो चीज रखने की है वो रखेंगे. वेरी 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 गुड कि आपने एब्स्ट्रैक्शन को समझा कि एब्स्ट्रैक्शन में हमने किस चीज को इंपॉर्टेंस देनी है और किस चीज को इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं देनी है. फ्रेंड्स सर्कल में भी ऐसे ही होता ना. अभी वो हमने भी एग्जाम्पल सुना लड़ाई वाला, तो आप कितनी बार अपने फ्रेंड्स को बोलते हो ना कि इस बात पे डिस्कशन नहीं करेंगे, पहले जो इंपॉर्टेंट बात है उस पर डिस्कस कर लो, है ना? आप वहां पर भी उसको कहते हो कि एब्स्ट्रैक्शन यूज करो. यस, वेरी गुड. Okay, next move to the abstractions, everyday examples. Fine. So everyday examples में क्या किया कि Google Maps are there that we have already discussed कि वो hide कर देगा roads को, जो लैम्प पोस्ट को उनको हटा देगा. रिपोर्ट कार्ड्स जो आपकी आती हैं, your report card shows your grade. It hides all the raw marks for every test. सभी टेस्ट के मार्क्स तो उसमें नहीं लिखे हुए होते ना, कंपाइल करके लिखे हुए होते हैं. Why? Because what you know, what to know in your report card, your final grade. You are not bothered कि मेरे होमवर्क में कितना मिला, उसमें क्या मिला. आप उसको लास्ट में करते हो, है ना. वेदर में क्या, दे विल शो यू द टेम्परेचर, दे विल टेल यू व्हाट आर द रेंज, बट दे डोंट गिव यू द एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर कितना है और पोलन सिचुएशन क्या है. बहुत सारी और सिचुएशंस को इग्नोर कर देता है. बिकॉज व्हाट डू यू वांट टू नो? यू जस्ट वांट टू नो should I carry an umbrella or not? Tell me this thing. If it's raining, I need to carry my umbrella. So जो चीज की इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए बस वो आपको दी जाएगी, अदरवाइज दे विल नॉट गिव यू. Fine. So this is all about the abstraction in daily life. You are using it every day. Let's move to the mission again. अभी हमने 2 steps mission में कर लिए. What we have done, हमने decompose कर लिया अपने सारी चीजें, फिर उसके बाद हमने pattern find out कर लिया. Now we are coming to the mission challenge abstraction. ठीक है. We have many students who want to perform. To choose the best performers, we need to filter our information. We can't consider everything, we have to abstract something. Look at the screen, what matters. So what matters? Talent score matters, performance ka duration is mattering, prepared or rehearsed or not, stage पर presence कैसा है, fits the show theme or not. These are the things that we need to take care of when we are deciding the performer. And what things we are ignoring? What is a favorite color or favorite subject or home address, parent phone number, birthday, etc., etc. They are not mattering a lot. So we have to ignore it. Fine, we have to ignore it. Because it has nothing to do with their talent. Abstraction help us to be fair and efficient. We focus on what truly matters. Fine. So we have discussed abstraction, we have practiced abstractions, we have done it in our mission also. So congratulations, you have unlocked abstraction badge. Congratulations, congratulations, and congratulations. 3 superpowers down. 3 superpowers down. One more to go, the last one, but not the least. That one that ties everything together. अब जो हमारी 4th सुपर पावर आ रही है वो हमारी सभी चीजों को सम अप करेगी. हमारी जितने भी हमने अभी तक पढ़ा है उसको हम एक बेटर चैनलाइज करेंगे उसको. ठीक है. सो दैट इज एल्गोरिथमिक थिंकिंग. सुपर पावर नंबर 4. An algorithm is simply a step by step instruction to solve a problem. Step by step instruction to solve a problem. Understand the problem, plan the steps, follow the steps, and it is done. Fine. You already know algorithm. आपको ऑलरेडी एल्गोरिथम के बारे में पता है. यू जस्ट कॉल देम समथिंग एल्स. क्या आप उनको रेसिपी बोल देते हो, है ना. आप उसको एक स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसीजर बोल देते हो, बट दे आर एल्गोरिथम्स. Brushing teeth in the morning, check phone, drink water, everything have their own morning algorithms, a fixed set of steps in a specific order. Order भी हमें specific चाहिए that you follow every day. Fine. That is an algorithm. The order matters. सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट चीज ही एल्गोरिथम में ये है कि हमने मैटर क्या कर रहा है हमारे लिए, ऑर्डर. ठीक है. इफ यू पुट ऑन योर शूज बिफोर योर सॉक्स, इज इट फाइन? सॉक्स भी पहननी है, शूज भी पहनना है, बट अगर आपने रिवर्स कर दिया, ऑर्डर गलत कर दिया, इफ यू पुट ऑन योर शूज बिफोर योर सॉक्स, दैट्स अ ब्रोकन एल्गोरिथम. वो एल्गोरिथम तो रहा ही नहीं, क्योंकि वो हमारे प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व ही नहीं कर रहा है. हमारे जो हम अचीव करना चाहते हैं हमें वो मिला ही नहीं, है ना. फाइन. सो लेट्स मूव फर्दर. एल्गोरिथम थिंक्स एवरी डे. अ रेसिपी, स्टेप्स टू कुक अ डिश इन ऑर्डर. ऑर्डर में रखना है उसको, इन एग्जैक्टली द राइट ऑर्डर. If you add the pasta before adding water in the pan, it's going to be a disaster. Fine. Wake up, brush, eat, pack, go to school in the morning routine. Change the order, the whole day goes wrong. Traffic rules. Red means stop. Green means go. Yellow means slow down. It is an algorithm that every driver follows. If even one driver break the algorithm and on red light it is slowing down or go, so accident will happen. So this is why algorithm matter so much in computers. A computer does exactly what you tell to do it. Exactly the order you say them. If your algorithm is wrong, the computer gets it wrong too. Garbage in, garbage out. Fine. So these are the things. One more activity to go. Congratulations. Look at these words on the screen. These are the steps for selecting performers for the talent show, but they all are jumbled up. Okay? Abhilasha ma'am is sharing link with you. What you need to do, you have to put them in the right order. Okay, ma'am has shared the link with you. Now quickly do this activity. Quickly and tell me what will be the right order. Yes, Gitika is saying, ma'am, all the things that we are doing daily, they are part of algorithms. Very good. Algorithm is nothing but step-by-step instructions to complete a task. Simple definition. Step by step in a correct order to complete a task. Fine. Okay, quickly do this activity and do let me know the right order. Afifa is saying, ma'am, I have done. Okay. Subhagya is giving me the answer, but I will not disclose it right now. Let all of them do it. Gunjan, good. Tihu, very good in 19.8 seconds, very good. Harshita, Mayank, Ayush is saying timetable is algorithm, very good. Beta, those links are not opening. Can you please copy it down so that you can try afterwards? Might be some internet connection issue because all others are doing. Very nice. Okay. Harshita has done. Anjali has done. Arav, Mayank, Garvit. Very good. Very good. Do it quickly. Quickly do it. I'm giving you another 20 to 30 seconds to complete this so that everybody have a look of it. Aditya, Tushan, Ritika, Reena done, Rita done, Radhya Arav done. Very nice. Khushi done. Vridhi done. Very nice. Very, very nice. So you all have done that. Dipanshi, beta, you have to just drag and drop to the right position. आप इसको right order में लगाओ. Those who are not able to link it, आप यहाँ से ये words देखकर और आप मुझे सही तरीके से बता दो कि chat में लिख के बता दो क्या होना चाहिए सही order. You can do like that also if you're not able to open the link. Very good. So I'm telling you what is the correct order. Register. The performer will register first. Then he or she will give the audition. Then we'll select them. Then we'll give them. Then they will perform and then they will earn the reward. So you cannot reward someone before they have performed. You cannot select someone before they have auditioned. So order matters. That's an algorithm and you just built one. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, let's move to our mission again. In that mission, we have to create the event schedule. Final mission. The talent show is happening and we need a complete event schedule with exact timings. Look at the screen. We have used decomposition to identify all the tasks. We use pattern recognition to plan the order. We use abstraction to filter what is important and what was not important. And now we use algorithmic thinking to create the final step-by-step schedule. Read the schedule on the screen. At 4 o'clock, there will be a welcome and opening by the principal, followed by solo singer, then the dance group performers, then again solo singer. Then in between, there will be art display presentation too. And then we have a final dance group and etc. etc. Every time is calculated. Every step is in order. This is real algorithm. Okay, you see algorithm has handled real world problems too. And now you know how to build and how to adjust them. Very good. And this is a big, big, big congratulations to all of you. This is the biggest celebration of the four. Make it count. Give me emojis. And your algorithmic thinking badge earned all four pillars unlocked. We have done all of them. Everyone give yourself a huge round of applause or give emojis in the chat right now because you absolutely deserve it. You absolutely deserve it. That you are with me and you have unlocked all of them together with me. Very nice, very nice. Great, 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 great. Nice. I can feel the energy in you. That how, yes, Vaibhav is writing, I'm happy. I can feel that, beta. मुझे पता चल रहा है कि आप घर बैठ के कितने खुश हो रहे हो इस चीज को लेकर कि आपने एक बहुत बड़ी चीज आज अनलॉक करी और ये सब स्टेप सीखे. अमेजिंग एफर्ट एवरीवन. You, if you got all four of them, you are the computational thinking officially. Very nice, very nice, very happy. Okay, let's move further. Let's have a quick quiz. चलो एक छोटी सी क्विज करते हैं. What we have learned today. My first question to all of you: a student organizing a birthday party list. Buy cakes, invite friends, arrange venue, buy decorations. What CT pillar is she using? Write down the name. Don't write A, B, C. Yes, the answer is decomposition. Very good. That we have split our big problem into small, like buy cakes, invite friends, arrange venue. Very nice, very nice. Let's move to the question quickly. Next question. Every Monday, maths, then English, then science. This repeats each week. Recognizing this is which CT skill? Quickly write it down. Trishna is saying pattern. Ansh, Harshita, Mayank, Aaron, Garvit, Ishan, Satvik, Dhruv, Vidhi, Habib, Gitika, Saroj, Dolly, Samriddhi, Anjali, Romit. They all are writing pattern recognition. Very good, students. Very good. Let's move to the next question quickly. A weather app shows only temperature and chances of rain, not wind, speed, or humidity. This is an example of, quickly write it down your answer. Yes, this is an example of abstraction, the D part. Very good. So you can easily make out now. Next, a recipe says boil water, add pasta, wait 10 minutes, drain, add sauce. This is an example of, quickly write it down. I'm giving you 5 seconds to give me the answer quickly. Yes, I'm getting lots and lots of answers. And the answer is part C, algorithmic thinking. Very nice for answering. Next question. Which CT pillar helps us reuse solutions by noticing that similar problems have similar answers? Think of it. सोचो और उसके बाद मुझे बताओ. Which CT pillar help us reuse solutions? Very good. Quickly write it down the answer and then I will disclose it. Yes, the answer is pattern recognition. क्योंकि हमने already अगर उसका solution हमने pattern से किसी तरीके से उसको solve किया हुआ है तो हम उसी solution को reuse करते हैं. Very nice. Congratulations. Amazing effort, everyone. If you have got all 5 correct, you are a computational thinker. Congratulations. So let's sum up. Before we finish, let's lock in what we learned today. So what we have learned today, we have learned decomposition. Break big problems into solve and small and solvable parts. Pattern recognition, which help us to find trends, repeating patterns to reuse our solutions. We have learned about the abstraction, focus on what matters and filter out the noise, or we can say the distractions. Then algorithmic thinkings, create clear step-by-step plans for any problem. And that line at the bottom, read it with me, which is written here. These are the skills every programmer, every scientist, every inventor, everybody is using. Fine, right? Today, every person building any app, solving medical issues, or designing even rockets they all use these four pillars of computational thinking in which we are trained on today. And now this is the project work that you have to do today. You have to solve a household or your society problem. You have to consider a problem or household work using the four pillars of CT. Although you are using, but just write it down. आज अपने अपने ये काम करना है. You have to just write it down कि these are the things, this was the problem. So first of all, write it down the problem and then step by step कि मैंने इसको ऐसे abstraction करा. What are the patterns I have gathered? Then what are the things that I have to keep and the rest of them are ignored, and then follow the algorithmic solutions. Thinking कि आपने उसका क्या क्या आपने step by step उसका solution निकालना है. So this is the thing that you need to do. And now we are at our finish line. Congratulations to every single one of you. Congratulations. You showed up. You participated. You answered question. You solved challenges. See what you have done today. And you earned every single one of these badges today. Congratulations and thanks for your attention. Thanks for your chats.